What's the rock list?
Let's watch. Auntie Jen's driving. Woohoo!
What's the rock list? Coming up with that.
He's not going to do it again, is he?
I don't know. Let's start talking about it up there.
Daredevil. He told us to go through. I'm like, we're not going through that.
Oh, that's gross.
That's going to need a bath.
It's worth it. 8-hour drive.
Oh, shut. I didn't see what that said. That's hilarious. Jen's having troubles.
I knew she was gonna have trouble.
You did? She's going. Well, she made it. Awesome. Woohoo, Auntie.